How's it going, guys? I didn't actually see you there. Oh, now I'm professional. What's going on, everyone? It's Wolf and Play Fishing. We'll do a bit of exploring today. There's no real game plan set, so I can't really tell you as much at the moment, but I would say we'll probably be just using soft plastics like I did in my other video. Maybe using the same technique with the same lures. Don't know. We'll see how the pro grub goes at first. And yeah, we'll either work deep or shallow. We don't know yet. We'll see what the day brings. And we'll see which way the tide's going. We'll follow the tide. We'll follow it on the way back. And I'm with a good mate, Nath. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned. A jackal. TN. Oh, that colour looks good. Bit of black, purple. Got to get my trebles out now. Yeah, some 10s will do. All right. Oh, you're on. He's off the donut, eh? Oh, you're kidding. I just dropped my TN. My $30 TN I just dropped in the water. Oh, you're kidding. Maybe that's my sign not to go to one. Hang on, I'm coming. Nice. Bass, is it? Oh, crap.
There he is.
Oh. Oh, yeah?
I need to turn that light.
Little fella?
Yeah, he didn't bite too hard. I thought, no.
Yep.
Yeah, look at his throat there.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Munching.
Anyways, I'll let him go.
Oh, most annoyingest thing just happened too. I just dropped my TNs 50 in the water.
Oh, no.
When I was putting on the split ring. When you're like, yeah, I'm on, I'm like, oh, you're on. And then I like was a bit like distracted. And I just dropped it. I'm just like, oh my God. No.
Anyone you bought with you?
I think it is. I wonder if there's anything sitting up there. Oh, yep, got him. Yep.
Big plastic?
Yep. Oh.
Oh, yeah, look at the water running down.
Yeah. There's fish up there. Oh.
Must be an alright thing. Yeah, the plastic that big.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a fat bass, man. It's a fat bass. It's only a metre of water where he is too.
I couldn't believe you used plastic.
Oh, I can't even like... Crap, this is not good.
See if I can spook him that way, because it seems like, yeah. He's a good man. He's a good bass. Oh, he's not spooked by me.
Oh, crap. Oh, hang on.
He's a good bass.
He is a good bass. Yeah, I got him. Oh,
That.
look at him.
That is.
There's a chunk.
That's a big bass.
He's not so much long, but he is thick.
Super big shoulders.
I reckon have a quick flick up there, eh?
I've got back to this thing. Right up there?
Yep, I was right up there. And he hit me about probably...
Oh,
Oh, really?
yep.
Oh,
Come on.
oh, that's crazy. Yeah,
Nothing, that's fine.
he smashed that.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, look at the
Oh, look
size.
at him.
That is a
That's a quality fish, eh?
I reckon like 46.
45. I might get a photo of him, that's alright.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's get this lure off and get him back. Oh, what a chunk. Look at him. Fat fish. Kick, mate, come on. Go. There he goes. Cruises off. Beautiful. How big's yours? 39.
Nothing spinning out everywhere. Yeah, well, there's one.
I wonder. Deep enough for a bass. It's 2 meters here. Oh, yep. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh, it feels like a solid fish too. Oh, he's right up against the gate. Oh. Oh. Holy. Oh, this is a really good fish. Really, really good fish. It's either a carp or an absolute cracking bass. Oh. What is he, you reckon? Oh, I hope it's a bass. It's an absolute horse. Oh my god, it's a huge bass. It's an absolute monster. Oh my god. It's an absolute monster. It's an absolute monster. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's an absolute monster. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's a horse. It's an absolute horse. Oh, it's so heavy, man. Nice and easy. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, he's 50, I reckon. He'd be close to 50, this one. Oh, yes. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. Wow. He's got to be 50. Oh my god. Oh. I was a slow rolling the pro grub out of there. And this guy has absolutely nailed it. And he is going to be close to 50. Wow, look at him. Oh my god. Wow, let's get a measure on him. Oh, he's just going to be short, I think. Oh my god, look at that. He's 49. Oh, so close to the 50 mark. An absolute chunk. Let's see if we can see Nate. Oh, I really want to let him go. Oh, look at this. Look what he's been eating, guys. Oh, look at that. Whole fish. That is insane. Oh my god. Let's call him. A bit quicker to do that way. See where he is. I really want a photo of this fish. Yep, he's an absolute horse, man. He's a cracker. Wow. And he fought like an absolute beast. I was constantly ringing you because...
When you saw that, you must have gone, that's 50.
Yep, I did. I was like, that's 50 for sure.
How is that not 50?
I know.
That's enormous. That's a massive bass.
Look at that.
Yeah, there's a couple more spiders there.
Oh, thank you. Oh, God. I'm caught on my jerk bait.
No.
Oh, there he goes. I think you can actually hear the bass, like boofing. If you listen closely. Oh man, there's some good fish right here. Yeah.
You got, oh, whack.
Oh really?
I got whack.
Is it what's?
Oh, got him.
Oh, got him. Oh, good fish. I reckon that's a cracker. Yep, yep, that's a good fish, man. What'd you get him on?
Oh, broke. Oh, fish. Oh, this is 50. I reckon it's 50. Oh, he's so heavy. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Oh my god. Get out of here. I've got to back up. Oh, this is a big fish. Oh, this is a big fish. Wow.
Don't lose tension. Oh crap. You've got a monster here, man. You've got an absolute monster.
Oh, it's a big fish. It's so heavy. This is the heaviest bass I've ever hooked on the LRF. That's a good bass. Oh no, he's got to be close to 50. He's got to be close to 50. Oh, he's got to be close. Oh my god.
Oh, he's a horse.
Oh, he can't be far off.
He'd be very close.
Oh, that's over 50. That's got to be 50.
Oh my god. Get him on the map. Quick.
Oh, 52.
That's a PB.
It's a PB. Yes, that's 52.
Yes. Look at that.
Wow. Tails are slipping out, but yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh.
Well, I'm guessing you want a photo.
Oh. No, yes.
Look at that. That's a bass.
Horse. That is a horse. That's a proper horse.
Oh. Oh yes. Yep.
Oh yes. 52.
52.
52 centimetre bass. Oh. PB. Off
See
you
ya.
go. Oh.